What's the video? My name is Rohit and I come back with another video. So in today's video, we will see a program that how to find the smallest element of an array. Alright, so I will open my dev C++. Okay, so हमने यहाँ पे एक हमारी header file include किया that is iostream.s. After that we will add a line call using namespace standard. Alright, after that we will declare a return type that is int main and I return here 0 which is the standard value. Okay, so let's start the code. So I will use here a data type called int in which I make a array of a and I will give this size 5. After that comma I will make a variable I which is used in a looping, and I will make one more variable x and I will end this line with the help of semicolon. Okay, so we will add a for loop. So I will use a keyword called for and two round brackets. Okay, so first we will do the initialization of I. So I equals to 1 and I is less than equals to 5 and हम I का करेंगे increment that is I plus plus. Okay, after that we will add two graces. Okay, in which we will print a message on a screen using cout function. Cout in quotation enter the elements 1 second elements of array. Alright, I will add here a \n that is the new line character and I will end this line with the help of semicolon. After that using scene I will take the inputs from the user and I will pass to the array के हम i पोजीशन पे उसको पास करेंगे. ओके, आफ्टर दैट हम क्या करेंगे x इक्वल्स टू ए के वन पोजीशन पे जो भी वैल्यू है हम उसे ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे x नाम के वेरिएबल में. ओके, आफ्टर दैट वी विल यूज अनदर फॉर लूप. सो फॉर i इक्वल्स टू 1 i इज लेस दैन इक्वल्स टू 5 एंड हम i का करेंगे increment that is I plus plus. Okay, I will add two graces. 1 second, I will add here two graces in which I will add one condition. If x is smaller than a of I so हम क्या करेंगे, हम x इक्वल्स टू x करेंगे. ठीक है, जो भी x की वैल्यू है वो x में ही रहनी चाहिए. एल्स अगर ऐसा नहीं होता तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम करेंगे x इक्वल्स टू जो भी हमारे a ऑफ i के पोजीशन में. ऑलराइट, एंड at the end of this for loop we will just print the message on a screen using cout function. Cout smallest element of array is \n जो भी हमारे x में है. ऑलराइट, जो भी हमारे x में है we will end this line with the help of semicolon. Okay, so our program is ready to run. Let's run the program with the help of function f11. Okay, so first I have to save the program. I will give the name to the file called smallest element. Alright, I will hit enter. Okay, so there is one error. What is the error? Okay, so हमने यहाँ पे semicolon यूज़ नहीं किया. Okay, now our program is ready to run. So I will hit function f11. Okay, there is one more variable error. Okay, हमने यहाँ पे भी semicolon का यूज़ नहीं किया. Okay, let's run the program. So you can see the message on a screen. Enter the element of an array. So I will enter 45, 55, 1 and 87 99. So you can see the message on the screen. The smallest element of an array is 1. Okay, हमने यहाँ पे 1 एंटर किया था. I hope you understand this program. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Till then, peace out.